Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We are up at Z Factor in Waterloo doing some carpet cleaning and some tile and grout restoration. Got some commercial glue down. And this is our setup with the new Nissan NV. I'm going to bring you in and show you what we're doing today. All right, here's some of the commercial glue down. We just finished cleaning. We've got the fan going in the background. And so we got called in by a roofing company who was doing some roofing here, and they accidentally got some asphalt on the carpet that used to be here. So the roofing company had to actually replace the carpet here. So I referred Massimo to our friends down at Sarmazian, and so Manny hooked them up with some new carpet, which is in the other room, which will be installed any day now. This being the main office. This room is complete. This room is complete as well. We just got the fan going in here now. And this office here as well. In terms of the tile and grout restoration, we're just working on this room here now, just getting it all prepped. We're doing all the tile and grout here. It's a small kitchen, hallway, and 2 bathrooms. And then we've got a little hallway here that we're gonna finish. And I'll take you into the other area. This area has been complete, almost complete. It's got a cool setup there on the wall with a bunch of Nerf guns. And the final room we're in here is the board room. And this one's just getting prepped now. It's just been pre-vacuumed. And then the final area we are going to restore the grout in is this area here. So we haven't quite got to this area yet. And of course this is the new carpet that's going to be installed on the other side. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour and let you know what we're doing. Doing some work for Massimo up at Z Factor in Waterloo. So if you're looking for any commercial carpet cleaning or tile and grout restoration, give us a call, 519-208-8533. Have a great day.